Have you ever walked into a beautiful decorative home and thought it must have cost a fortune? The truth is, most of the stylish homes are not filled with expensive furniture or luxury decorations. They are filled with smart ideas, creative DIY projects, and simple design choices that anyone can achieve. One of the biggest decorating trends this year is not about spending more money. It is about making better use of what you already have. With a little creativity, even an ordinary room can feel brighter, warmer, and more inviting without stretching your budget. Decorating is not about copying someone else's home, it's about creating a space that works for your family, fits your lifestyle, and brings you happiness every day. The most beautiful homes are the ones filled with personal memories, meaningful decorations, and items that tells your story. Hello there, deep viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. In today's video, we are going to explore more of this year's most popular budget home decoration trends. These ideas are simple to follow, affordable to create, and perfect whether you are decorating a new home, updating an apartment, or refreshing a single room. Whether you are DIY enthusiast, a woodworking lover, or someone looking for affordable decorating inspiration, these ideas will help you create a home that looks stylish, feel comfortable, and reflects your personal taste. So, grab your notebook, gather your inspiration, and get ready to discover how small change can make a huge difference. You will not need a big budget to create a home you will love. You just need the right ideas. Let's get started. Many people believe they need to replace everything to create a fresh new look, but that's rarely the case. Sometimes, moving furniture to a different spot, adding handmade wooden shelves, introducing a new indoor plant, or changing the light is enough to completely transform a space. Decorating your home should never feel stressful or overwhelming. It should be enjoyable, creative, and reflection of your personality. Every room tells a story, and every small improvement helps create a home that feels comfortable, welcoming, and uniquely yours. One of the reasons budget-friendly decorating has become so popular is because people are discovering that simple designs often look cleaner, more elegant, and more timeless than rooms filled with expensive decorations. Less clutter, natural materials, and thoughtful details can make a home feel peaceful and stylish. Handmade decorations are also become more popular than ever. Wooden shelves, candle holders, picture frames, wall art, and small furniture pieces add warmth and character while giving your home a unique touch that mass-produced decoration simple cannot match. Another exciting trend is decorating sustainable. Instead of throwing away old furniture or unused materials, more homeowners are giving them a fresh purpose. A simple makeover can breathe a new life into an old table, cabinet, or bookshelves while saving money and reduce waste. Best of all, you don't have to finish everything in one weekend. Great homes are created one small project at a time. Every shelf you build, every corner you organize, and every decorative item you add helps shape a space that becomes more beautiful with time. Decorate with natural wood. Natural wood never goes out of style. Wooden shelves instantly warm up a room. Small wooden trays add character and charm to a coffee table. Handmade wooden decorations make every space feel more personal. Even small wooden accents create a great, cozy atmosphere. Give old furniture a fresh look. You don't have always need to buy something new. Refresh an old table with a new finish. Update chairs with fresh cushion. Add new candles to a cabinet. Small improvement can make old furniture feel brand new. Create a cozy reading corner. Every home deserves a quiet place to relax. Add a comfortable chair. Place a small side table nearby. Add a warm lamp. Finish the space with a softened blankets and a few cushions. A simple corner can become your favorite place in the house. Budget does not mean boring. Great Decoration is about creating, not expensive shopping. Many beautiful homes are created with simple ideas. Small changes can create amazing results. Your imagination is your best decorating tools. Bright, natural indoors. Plants make every room feel alive. Add a few small spot plants. Display fresh flowers whenever possible. Use simple wooden plant stand. Greenery creates a calm and welcoming environment. Decorate your walls creatively. Empty walls are full of possibility. Hand-framed arts. Display family photos. Add handmade wooden signs. Install floating shelves. Create a gallery wall with pieces you love. Organize while decorating. Beautiful homes are often organized homes. Use baskets for storage. Add decorative box. Display everyday items neatly. Organization makes room look larger and more relaxing. Mix old and new. Combine modern decorations with vintage finds. Pair reclaimed wood with simple features. Blend handmade furniture with store-bought items. Mix styles creates a unique home that reflects your personality. Use warm lights. Lights change the mood of a room. Choose warm lights instead of harsh lights. Add table lights. Use floor lamp in empty corner. Soft lights makes your home feel comfortable and inviting. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friends and family, and let's inspire more people to create beautiful space in their own hands. Decorate with handmade items. Handmade decorations add personality. Display wooden candle holders. Use handcrafted trays. Add handmade shelves. Every handcrafted piece tells a story and makes your home feel unique. Keep it simple. You don't have to find every space. Choose a few decorative you truly love. Avoid unnecessary clutter. Clean space often feels larger and more peaceful. Simple never goes out of style. Add a texture or more interesting. Mix different materials together. Combine wood, fabric, baskets, and plants. Soft texture creates warmth. Natural materials makes every room feel more comfortable. Small details creates big visual impact. Decorate with purpose. Every decoration should have a reason. Choose pieces that are both beautiful and useful. Let your home reflect your lifestyle. Comfortable homes are always more enjoyable than crowded ones. Focus on creating a small space that make you happy every day. Refresh one room at a time. You don't have to redecorate your whole home at once. Start with one room, make small improvements, enjoy each completed space. Gradually transform your entire home without feeling overwhelmed. Shopping your own home. Look around before buying anything new. Move decoration from one room to another. Rearrange furniture. Reuse items in creative way. Sometimes a fresh layout makes everything right now and new. Focus on comfort because beautiful homes should always feel comfortable. Add soft cushion. Use cozy blankets. Choose practical furniture. A welcoming home is always in style. Personalize your space. Display meaningful items. Showcase travel souvenirs. Add family photos. Include homemade decorations. Personal touches make your home truly yours. Enjoy the decoration process or journey. Decorating does not have to happen overnight. Take your time. Experiment with different ideas. Build your home one project at a time. The most beautiful home grows naturally over time. Here are some bonus budget decor ideas. Floating wooden shelves, wooden inventory organizer, handmade coffee table tray, decorative wall mirror, DIY photo display, wooden candle holders, indoor plant shelves, storage baskets, rustic picture frame, wooden tray handler, decorative ladder, blanket rack, and small wooden benches. In the end, as we come to the end of today's video, remember that creating a beautiful home is not about how much money you spend. It is about the care, creativity, and personality you bring into your home. Some of the most welcoming homes are built with simple ideas, thoughtful details, and handmade touches that make the space feel truly special. One of the best things about budget decoration is that you can improve your home little by little. You don't need to renovate an entire home in one weekend. Start with one shelf, one wall, and one corner or one piece of furniture. Every small project brings you one step closer to the home you have been dreaming about. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Mix natural wood with softened fabrics, add a few greenery plants, introduce warm lighting, or display handmade decorations that reflect your personality. Your home should make you feel comfortable every time you walk through the door. Before buying something new, take a look around your home. You should discover that an old table only needs a fresh finish. A forgotten picture frame could become beautiful wall art, or a simple wooden board could turn into stylish floating shelf. Creativity often begins with seeing familiar things in a new way. Handmade projects add something truly special to a home. Whether it's a wooden tray, a candle holder, a bookshelf, or a simple side table, every piece you create with your own hands brings warmth and character that cannot be found in a mass-produced decor. Keep in mind that trends may change from year to year, but comfortable, functional, and welcoming homes never go out of style. Focus on timeless ideas that will continue to enjoy for years instead of chasing every new decorating trends. Most importantly, have fun with the process. Decorating should be exciting, relaxing, and rewarding. Every project teaches you something new. Every improvement builds your confidence, and every finished space becomes another reason to enjoy your home even more. We would like to hear from you. Which budget home decoration idea are the plan to try first? Will you build a floating shelf, refresh an old piece of furniture, add indoor plants, create handmade wool decor, or completely reorganize a room? Share your idea in the comments. We will enjoy seeing your creativity. If today's video inspired you, please take a moment to give it a thumb up. Your support helps us more people discover affordable decorating idea and encourage us to continue creating a new DIY project, woodworking tutorial, and home organization inspiration every day. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss our upcoming videos. We regularly share woodworking idea, budget decoration tips, DIY furniture project, home organization hacks, and creative way to transform everyday spaces. And don't stop here. We have many more videos filled with easy DIY projects, scrapwood ideas, rustic home decor, furniture makeovers, woodworking inspiration, and affordable decoration solution. Click on one of the videos on your screen and continue your journey toward create a home you will love. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Your support, comments, and creative idea inspire this amazing channel, and we are grateful to have you here. Until next time, keep decorating with confidence, keep creating with purpose, and remember that a beautiful home is built one of a thoughtful project at a time. Small changes can make a big difference, and your next idea could completely transform your space. Stay safe, stay blessed, enjoy every project, and we will see you in the next DIY home decoration and woodworking adventure. Happy decorating!